Sirski. That boy dropped the bag again and again.
And again.
So now we gotta go pick up your GT3.
Yeah.
But I don't know, you might really crash out. Might crash out worse than Yanni. Stop saying that. Stop saying that, Yanni.
Saying what?
Talking about crashing out and crashing and stuff.
I didn't say none of that.
You gonna put some gas in your car?
Across the street. Thoughts on that?
Yeah.
You gonna go see how much you took then? See if they can let us go? Well, 30?
A 30 ball.
A 30 bucks.
30 cash.
Ooh. Y'all, this interior go crazy. But shoot, y'all stay tuned. It's finna get turned.
Hello. Sorry it took me so long, y'all.
Yeah, what was that about?
I was making cup of noodle.
What the fuck?
What? What happened?
Why did it just feel like the car lifted up?
What? How did it feel?
It felt like we was like finna lift off.
Where did you feel that?
This bitch crazy.
Bro, I know I ain't tripping.
I think you are.
I already dirtying up the car.
Bro, I'm so hungry right now. Nothing you talking about makes sense.
It do make sense.
Did y'all pump the gas yet? What's going on?
I didn't get gas yet. Huh?
And then you might want to turn your car off before we blow up. And then you might want to drive around and flip the car.
You drive the car around and flip it.
God, I gotta do every fucking thing.
I don't want to do this shit. I keep saying this. I'm too freaking hot. I feel like shit.
How you feel like shit after you just got a brand new car? That makes literally no sense. In what world do you live in? What world? Just make me understand that. I'm sick of this bullshit. And then we supposed to be going to Nikki Beach and shit. Like, but somebody don't want to go.
He's pumping gas, looking like a fool.
Get out and record me from right here.
But I'm not your girl and I'm not your sister. Like, I'm not your, you know what I'm saying? I'm not like that. That you're wrong.
All you gotta do is keep going and keep staying motivated. I was just about to be up to keep on like mine and them. Check this out, okay? Wait, read it. Why did you tell me about the car? Alright, wait, okay. The camera dirty or the voice?
Rate this 1 to 10.
Now this has elevated from a 5 to 10.1.
So we on this beautiful place to eat dinner. Celebrating Yanni's second car, foreign car.
Gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town.
It's not her birthday no more though.
Now birthday, we've been out here for like 2 weeks.
2 weeks, no, literally, y'all. What?
This has been the longest.
Miami.
I ain't gonna lie, this has been nonstop. I feel like I've been here, even though I flew back and came back, I feel like I've been there for a while.
I feel like we've been here for a
You
while.
feel like I've been here for a while?
Yes. I feel like we've all
Y'all know I
been
just
here
got back
forever.
here yesterday.
It don't feel like
I
that.
know, I got back here yesterday morning.
It feels like, I guess because our nights and days are like
Running into each
running
other
into
because we
each other,
got
yeah.
Subscribe to my YouTube. Everyone subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that subscribe button.